Okay, our next site is from PBS, and this is PBS Mathline, which is one of their programs. They have videos. They have several different categories here. They've got pre-K through 2, grade 3 through 5, 6 through 8, and we're in the 9 through 12 section, of course. Let's look at what one of these lessons has. Let's go to the lesson plan first. This is building boxes, and it deals with polynomial and rational functions. It gives you an objective and an overview of the lesson. And then you can download the actual lesson here, which is a PDF file. You can see this is quite nicely done. Has the introduction, has all of the steps, an assessment grid, some graphs, some tips, a rubric, and some more resources. So let's go back here to the main section. Let's go to our lesson clips, because this is a television program, so they have some lesson clips. Now, these are interesting, and it's good to have these, but you have to. It's a little tricky to use them. What you can do is you can click to watch this clip. I'm going to change the volume just a little bit here. So there's an introduction, and
his teaching is always evolving. By honing his craft, he is able to reach more and more students to be a more effective teacher.
You can jump around within the video by clicking this down, clicking this select box here, clicking another section in the video, and it will jump you through the introduction to that particular point in the video. So if you don't want to...
A lot of the features that are unique to that kind of function, I hope they'll see places where the functions are discontinuous, places where they're not defined. I hope they'll see asymptotic behavior. They'll use their calculators to investigate in behavior. And that should tie in nicely to what they've already looked at with polynomial functions.
Okay, when you say they're going to...
So use the drop-down box to jump around within the video.
Calculators investigate this on their own and discuss it in group. And I'm real optimistic that most of what I want to have come out of the lesson, they will generate.
Okay, so there are the clips. Here's one of the clips. Here's a list of the clips. You can watch the entire lesson if you like. Here's the lesson plan that goes with it. Let's see here. On past where I wanted to go. And here are actually, it looks like the same lesson, but given by different teachers. Different sections of the clip. We have the next page. And apparently there are 21 different clips to this lesson plan. So you can show these one right after the other, or you can show them a few at a time and take a break in the middle if you want. Okay, so let's go back here. Some of the other lesson plans are, see here, investigating connections among graphs, tables, and symbolic representations for lines, parabolas, inverse and exponential models. We have, let's see, density of liquids, pennies, pressures, temperature, and light, squares inside squares, and the yo-yo problem, linear equations using algebra.